The Ontario Disability Support Program helps people with disabilities who are in financial need to pay for living expenses like food and housing. Staff from the Brantford ODSP office will be coming to our community to take applications for those who have already applied. They will also be available to answer questions about applying, as well as provide other information about the program. They will be in our community on a bi-weekly basis every other Wednesday from 9:30 to 3 p.m. They will be located next to Erland's Restaurant in the Plaza on Chiefswood Road in Ohsweken. Please drop in to see them if you have any questions about ODSP. In my updates, I wanted to provide information on our different departments and what services they offer to the community. This month I want to focus on housing. The mandate of Six Nations Housing is to improve the living conditions of all members of the community by providing the ways and means to access housing and housing-related essentials through various financing programs, rental accommodations, and construction advisory services. The available programs we have are the Housing Loan Program, Approved Lender Loan Program through the banks, Accessibility Program, the Residential Rehabilitation Assistance Program, or is known as RAP, Sanitation Incentive Program. We also have housing inspectors available, rental properties, home ownership program, and our housing department also looks after some of the commercial properties. In 2013-14, the housing department provided the following to Six Nations community members: 12 new construction loans for a total of $1,961,000, 18 lender loans, $1,719,180, 4 renovation loans, $200,000, 42 RAP programs, $592,690, 14 supplemental RAP loans, $189,198, 15 special provision programs, $164,935, and 18 sanitation programs, $75,000. We also do have a number of loans that are in arrears, and I want to encourage all community members to please keep up your payments, because we rely on this money to provide more loans to other people. So I encourage everyone to please try and meet your payments, and if you're having difficulty, please go into the housing department and work out a suitable payment plan that can meet your needs. And if you want anyone wants more information, you can contact housing at 519-445-2235. Community Awareness Week's coming up May 13th to 26th, and we're going to have various events throughout the community. Starting with, we're going to have bread and cheese on May 18th, and they're going to have a Community Treasures Awards ceremony on May 23rd at 5 p.m. at Six Nations Polytech. Community Awareness Committee will be coming out with a booklet listing all of the activities. So we encourage all the community members to come out, take part in the games and fun, and to also learn more about all of the council departments and the businesses here in our community. During this time as well, the cash distribution of annuity payments for the members of Upper and Lower Cayuga will be held at the Six Nations Sports Den on Monday, May 18th from 9:30 to 4, and Tuesday, May 19th from 9:30 to 3. For those members, please have your status cards available to pick up this payment. Third-party pickups are not permitted. However, you can collect for a spouse, and parents can collect for children under the age of 18 whom are still living at home. I want to talk about one of the projects that we recently had a ribbon cutting for. The Six Nations Council has approved the development of a rooftop solar project at the Oneida Business Park building, located at the end of 4th Line. Six Nations will hold a 90% ownership stake in the project and has worked diligently to create a strong professional and neighborly relationship with the County of Brant, who will hold 10% equity investment in the project through their entity, Brant Renewable Energy Incorporated. Brant Renewable Energy has been hired as the engineering, procurement, and construction contract for the project, and this has led to direct employment for a number of Six Nations members to complete the installation. The development will generate 500 kilowatts of energy with an estimated 2,300 solar panels. Six Nations equity investment is expected to generate not less than $2.5 million in consolidated net cash flow to the community over the next 20 years. This is the first solar investment located within the Six Nations community that is sponsored by the Six Nations Elected Council. In addition to the Oneida Business Park project, Six Nations has also partnered with Brant County and BGI Graphics to develop a rooftop solar project at the BGI Graphics building in Paris. Six Nations' 15% equity investment in that project will generate not less than $500,000 in consolidated net cash flow to the community over the next 20 years. The ribbon cutting for this project was held on April 22nd.